we have a question from the sliding window, which is a fruit into the baskets. Let's go through the questions. You have visiting a farm that has a single row of fruit trees arranged from left to right. Trees are represented by integer array fruits, where fruits of I is the type of fruits in the I tree produces. You want to collect as much fruits as possible. However, the owner has some strict rules that you must follow. You only have two baskets, and each basket can hold a single type of a fruit. There are no limit on the amount of a fruit each basket can hold. Starting from any tree of your choice, you must pick exactly one fruit from tree, including the start tree, while moving to the right. The picked fruit must fit into your basket. Once you reach a tree with a fruit that cannot fit into your basket, you must stop. Okay, so the given integer array fruits, the maximum number of fruits you can. So while solving this question, I didn't know that they are asking for the continuous sub array. Like they have the first approach I took, like I just used my hash map, and I just stored the, like they have fruits arrays 1 2, let me take this one third 2 2 and 1 2 2 and 2. So what I did earlier, so I just stored key value pairs in my map, which would be 1 is appearing 1, 2 is appearing 3 thrice, and 3 is appearing once. This and after that, what I did, I have traversed my map and just find out the maximum and second max value from my array, and added both and return the answer, which would be 3 plus 1. Like I'm taking this, you can take that only, and we get answer as a 4. but but when I try to submit this answer, it just throws me an error with a it break for some test case. After that, I gone through the discussion section. After that, I found out they are just asking the longest continuous subarray which has exactly two distinct elements. So this just point. So I just got a the approach click in my mind would be a sliding window approach. So let me tell you what sliding window approach I would take. So I will use a hash map. In my hash map, I would be storing like 2 2 3 2 sub longest, what he's written, the find the longest continuous array which contain two distinct element, longest continuous subarray that has exactly two distinct elements. So what I did, I stored my answer, like 1 is appearing 1, 2 is appearing 1, and 3 is appearing 1. So this condition, I only want a two distinct element. The third distinct element is come in my window, so I will just remove the first uh, first element from my window and just move forward. This approach I tried to solve, and yeah it's it got accepted. So as we are moving with that approach too, so let I have to specify the hash map, which would be integer and integer, as I'm storing a number and its count. Map is equal to new hash map. All right, as oh, okay, uh as I have to give a maximum number, so I would be storing max length would be 0, and want two pointers would be, one would be left pointer, that would be just put staying at this point only as we are moving through the window. So left point would be pointing to the first position, and I'm using a for loop which int right, it would be traversing the whole array. Right is equal to fruits dot length, right plus plus. All right, so what I have to do, I have to put the element in my array as a key value pair element, the number integer value fruits, type of a fruits and its count. So I will be storing fruits of I, and map dot, if it come again default would, that would be fruits of I. If that would come again, I will just increment my value by 1. So now I have to check, like my if my window contains a more than map content more than two elements, so I have to specify a k value. In k would be 2. So I will just check here, if map dot size is greater than k. So what I have to do, I have to remove the pointer from the left, so I have to just check here. uh, but what if, like if that one is present, what if there is a case like 1 and 1 is present, right? So 1 has a 2 occurrence, so uh, we have to delete by one by one, like -1. So we have to do a map dot put. Oh, I have to, why I'm writing here, I we have to write the right. Okay, right, fruits of uh fruits of left, and map dot get rui, fruits of left -1. I will check if a map dot get fruits of left is equal, if its count is 0, so I will just remove it from my array. Map dot remove fruits of left, and will do a left plus plus. And here I have to find out the maximum length would be max dot max between max length, and right minus left plus 1. So this is how I get a maximum subarray range, that so I will be returning the max length. Yeah, so this is the approach. So let's run it out. Oh, fruits dot length. Okay, fruits dot length, fruits, it comes on. So yeah, this is how it works. So thank you.